Hey there! Are you a property owner or business owner looking to sell your property and reduce your tax liabilities? Well, we've got some amazing news for you. We have an innovative product that not only helps you save money on your taxes, but also provides you with more opportunities to negotiate better terms with buyers. Taxes can be a bit of a headache, but with our game-changing product, you can defer capital gains taxes and earn interest over a customized period of time. This gives you time to decide what you want to do in the future. And guess what? There are no costs whatsoever. We just want to help you save money and increase your wealth. We believe in simplicity, which is why we've made this process as easy as possible. We are one of the few offering this product right now, so you know you're getting the best of the best. Our product is tailored for property owners and business owners and provides a negotiating advantage to a wide range of professionals in the real estate industry, including CPAs, real estate brokers, attorneys, and more. Our product is perfect for those looking to secure their wealth and protect their finances. With our easy structured installment sale product, you'll be able to spread out your payments over a longer period of time, giving you more flexibility with your finances. Our team of experts has years of experience in the industry and can guide you through the entire process. Whether you're a baby boomer couple looking to sell your home and retire comfortably, or a business owner looking to sell your commercial property and move on to your next venture, our innovative product can help you potentially save money and get more out of your real estate or business sales transactions. With our product, sellers can receive a portion of the sale proceeds in installments via monthly or annual payments for a minimum of 4 years and a maximum of 40 years. The best part is you'll only be taxed for the payments received in a particular year. In the meantime, the payments are guaranteed, and interest is earned as an immediate annuity. So, what are you waiting for? Contact us today to learn more about our new investment product and start saving money on your real estate transactions. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to reduce your tax liabilities and increase your wealth. We can't wait to help you save money and increase your wealth.